Welcome back, Speedway fans, to ExtremeSpeedwayAction.com's coverage of the Youth Gumball Rally at Industry Speedway in the City of Industry, California. All right, it's now time for round 3 of the Gumball Rally. These young racers have been doing a great job so far. I'd put their competitiveness up against many adults I know. It's event 13, and back to the 250 juniors. Andrew Russell, Catherine Moore, Slater Lightcap, and Alex Martin.
My name is Slater Lightcap. My number is 28, and I'm from Huntington Beach, California. I started racing Speedway when I started on the 150s at 7. Fans, they really pump you up on the track, and especially when it's real nice racing, like when there's someone right next to you, that's the best feeling, especially when you win. Your starts are your main thing. If you can get in the front and there's someone right next to you, all you got to do is hold them off. I mean, if you got the pole, there's no way they're going to get around you unless they ride the outside.
Another great start for Martin would keep him in the lead, but Slater Lightcap wasn't going to make it easy on him. Martin would get the win, keeping his perfect night alive. Lightcap would get a second win, and Andrew Russell would get third. Event 14 of the 250s saw Wilbur Hancock, Dylan Wagner, Charlie Trana, and Justin Allman.
My name is Charlie Trana, my number is 66, and I'm from Folsom, California. My home track is in Auburn, California. It's called Fast Fridays. I started out with flat track, and my dad saw a video of Speedway, and he just wanted me to try it, and I just loved it.
From the start, Hancock nailed the pole position hole shot and was unstoppable. His mistake in his first race was totally behind him, and now he had control. Wagner and Trana would wrestle with second until Speedway Charlie Trana took it for his very own.
My name's Kensei Matsudaira. I am number 74 and I am from Los Angeles. I usually race here or Paris Flat Speedway. I like the counter steering, the intensity, and the no brakes. So like instead of letting off and in the corners you pin it, and basically all around the track you're just wide open. It's gonna be really loud, exciting because you never know who's gonna win.
Event 15 was an exciting matchup for the 150s. Jose Navarrete, Kensei Matsudaira, and Colton Nelson. Both Navarrete and Nelson, coming off of wins from the last round, really wanted this win to gain points. In the first lap, Navarrete showed his stuff, taking turn 1. It was then up to Nelson and Matsudaira. And believe it, Kensei wanted to win just as bad as Nelson. But Nelson, staying in his groove, eventually pressured the 9-year-old Matsudaira from Los Angeles and passed him on the inside. Navarrete would get the win, Colton Nelson second, and Kensei Matsudaira third. Event 16 for the 150s saw Owen Williams, Caden Carvrikis, Levi Lutz, and Nick Holbein. At the start, it was Cowboy Levi Lutz to get the whole shot and pin it around the track. You know his website, but you may not know the man. That's R.C. Jones. He's been a big Speedway fan for many years. His website, SpeedwayBikes.com, has the most comprehensive digest of Speedway information on the web. Race results, rider bios, pictures, and more. Go on over and visit him at SpeedwayBikes.com. Returning to race 16, Levi Lutz rode the wheels off of his bike for the win. Event 17 brought out Jamison Ferris, Nick Dunn, Ryder Schultz, and Max Anderson. At the start, it was Jamison Ferris from the pole.
My name's Max Anderson, and I'm number 8, and I'm from Huntington Beach, California. I like going fast and going around the turns and trying to get sideways. My dad just saw it whenever he was a kid, and I was playing baseball, and then I didn't really like baseball, so then I transferred over to Speedway, and then he just pushed me out at Costa Mesa, and I had to race.
Ferris would get his first win in the Gumball Rally. Event 18 was the return of the Pee-wees. These little racers are amazing when you think about how young they are. At the gate, on the pole position, 4-year-old Hudson Jones took the lead. But Duke Makarovich was in there too. However, Jones would do his best to run interference and wasn't going to be easy about it. But after so much hustle, Makarovich would take it away from Jones. What an exciting little race this is. With that, that's the end of 3 rounds of racing here at the Gumball Rally. Here are our standings. Stick around because we're coming back with round 4 and then the finals at the Youth Gumball Rally at Industry Speedway, Industry Hills Expo Center, California. Only on ExtremeSpeedwayAction.com.